Now we're getting some more updates on this story that we continue to track on CNN News 18. The brother of Akshat Garg, Mayank Garg, is now claiming that the police have stopped answering their calls and they are not even supporting them in the investigation. And he goes on to say that they're not receiving any kind of updates from the police. The investigation officer is also not answering any of their questions. Let's actually first take a look at the conversation that my colleague has done with Akshat Garg's brother. Let's take a look.
पुलिस से आपको अभी तक क्या सूचना मिल रही है इस मामले में, क्योंकि जो कि इसमें मेन अक्यूज्ड है वो भी बेल पे बाहर है?
पुलिस से तो भी कोई सूचना नहीं मिली है हमें, और ऑन दिस इंसिडेंट डे तो उसी के बाद से हमारे पास कोई अपडेट नहीं आया, नहीं कोई कॉल्स है कि क्या हो रहा है, रिपोर्ट्स एंड ऑल दैट। हम ही फॉलो अप कर रहे हैं, तभी तो रिस्पॉन्ड भी नहीं कर रही है पुलिस। हमारी तो ये कि जस्टिस मिले, एंड फर्स्टली कि उसको बिहाइंड द बार्स हो वो, और सेकेंडली हम बोथ वी वर द अर्निंग ब्रेड विनर्स फॉर आवर फैमिली। तो एक तो मेरा सपोर्ट चला ही गया, तो फाइनेंशियली वी ऑल्सो नीड सपोर्ट, सॉर्ट ऑफ कॉम्पनसेशन जो भी होगा, और यही है। एंड मेरे को नहीं पता था कि डीएलपी नहीं है, वाई डिड पुलिस उसको छोड़ा क्यों, वो मेरे को भी नहीं पता। तो यही क्वेश्चन है मेरे दिमाग में भी, और अब वो वापस उसको सर्च करे तो व्हाट इज़ द पॉइंट, आपने छोड़ दिया एंड यू आर सर्चिंग हिम अगेन। तो यही है। और जब कॉल करा गया तो ये कह रहे कि रिपोर्ट आ जाएंगी। तो स्टार्टिंग ऑन द सेम डे टोल्ड कि 2 दिन में आ जाती है रिपोर्ट, पोस्टमार्टम एंड 1 मोर MLC जो होता है। तो वो कह रहे कि 2-3 दिन में आ जाएंगे, तो 2-3 दिन तो ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं। इट्स बीन अ वीक ना। पुलिस इसको पकड़े, अरेस्ट हिम, एंड जो भी लीगल एक्शंस लिए जाएंगे गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, वी आर विद द कोर्ट एंड कोर्ट शुड टेक इट अप seriously.
My colleague Yash Goyal, who's got us that interview, is with us on the broadcast. Yash has been following this story ever since this incident, this unfortunate one, was reported out of Gurugram. Now, at the first instance, why was the person behind the wheels of that SUV really released on bail? On what grounds? Considering he had hit, there was a direct head-on collision with a biker, and the biker had eventually lost his life. Then how did the bail really happen?
Well, Griha, as per the police, they followed the standard operating procedures in this case. Like any other case, there are relevant sections of the Motor Vehicle Act which are imposed on the very person who actually commits these sorts of crime. And unfortunately, all those sections which were imposed on him were bailable in nature. So that is why he was able to secure the bail. And in fact, the bail proceedings as per the police were as per the law. But the bigger question what the family is raising right now is that why police is evasive of their question. The family is continuously saying that why more stringent charges are not levied on this very accused. Secondly, the most interesting and perhaps one of the glaring lapses which is coming to the fore from police's side is that if he didn't have the valid driving license, or he was not able to present the driving license at that very juncture, why the Motor Vehicles Act of Section 3 of Motor Vehicle Act was not imposed on him, which could have actually somewhat made his bail a little bit tougher. But though right now he is out on bail, and what we are understanding, the sources within the police are indicating that they also have the police also have no idea about his whereabouts. But one thing is clear. Apart from what has happened, the investigation, the police is somewhat looking very weak in this case, because the family is continuously lamenting upon only one fact, that they want justice in this matter, and also they're also demanding compensation, because they say there were only 2 who were the bread earners in the family, and now since one of them is not there, it will be very tough for them to actually meet their end meets. And in fact, they say that police is somewhat not cooperating with them in this entire matter.
Right. Thank you so much for that, Yash. Keep following this story. We'd need more inputs on this, and we would, of course, keep our viewers informed once the person who was behind the wheels on that SUV is nabbed by the police. Right now, the police is on the lookout for that man. He's still at large. With that, we are slipping into a very short break. News and updates continue on CNN News 18. Stay tuned for more.